Hey everybody, it's Charlene with the Roadrunners, and tonight we're in Abilene, Kansas, to do more of the Gunsmoke Trail. So this is the Holiday Inn Express in Abilene. Their new hotel is not opened yet, which hopefully they'll have it opened soon, but this is still the old place where I stayed, I think, a year ago or so. But anyway, not too bad. Certainly not what I was looking for yesterday, but anyway, looks pretty good, looks clean, very nice people out front, and they of course have the little breakfast in the morning, so we'll see about that. Tonight I'm gonna go try to find some dinner, which will be great, and hopefully relax and get some sleep, because I didn't seem to do that very much last night. So hope everybody's having a good Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever day it is. I don't know anymore. Oh, I hope you're having a good one, and I'll talk to y'all soon.